with the egg. I'm baking, and this is the dry stuff. If you want to know, it's like oatmeal chocolate chip, pumpkin seeds, walnuts, and almonds. These are eggs. This is a very ripe banana with an egg as the mix. And I need the ginger because I always add ginger hot water to my cake mix. It's just the thing. The part I've never done before, which is like the experiment, because I've made this like a million times, not a million, but you get it, is this the very ripe banana with the egg. What the fuck? So I'm just gonna add a little bit of the hot ginger water. No. This one. I don't like my muffins too wet. I like it a little crunchy. You know? So, yeah. But it also has to be done in a way this smells so nice. I don't even know why. It's literally just banana and egg. Plus, I also added nutmeg and cinnamon to this. Obviously, no vanilla extract. I just don't really see the need for it. Although most people always add it to theirs, I don't. See? Looking good. Don't judge my pan. Golden fork for a golden girl. Five. A golden spoon for a golden girl. Put the flash on. Look at the muffins. Yummy, yummy.